I'm mounting the hard drive cages. So basically, make sure that the cables are at the back end where the notches are at, right here. Your hard drive, make sure it's this way, or you won't be able to plug it in. So basically, what you would do is you just slip the hard drive into the cage, and you just take this screw here, and you just put all four of them in there. Then you just screw them down. And I'll show you where they mount. And they just mount right there, right behind the thing here on the drives. Show you. Lift it off, and there's one slit and then two screw holes. Make sure the two slits are in the slits, and then you just clip it back down into the cage.